Did you know that in early Igboland, Ụdara, African star apple, was not just a fruit, but a sacred symbol of life? Well, it's the season of Ụdara again, so let's quickly look at why our ancestors celebrated and respected this special fruit. First, Ụdara was a symbol of fertility. It's believed to be connected to a female deity of procreation capable of blessing women with children. It's believed to be the mother of Akwari Omomo, kindred fertility spirits. Second, the Ụdara tree was seen as a spiritual meeting point, a place where the living, the ancestors, and even unborn children were connected. Third, Ụdara represented unity. Even if the tree was in someone's farmland, it belonged to the whole community. No one was allowed to pluck or sell the fruits. It had to fall naturally before anyone can pick it. Why? Because plucking or selling it was seen as an abomination, almost like destroying life or selling children. Waiting for it to ripe was a sign of patience and respect for divine blessings. There was also something called Ememe Ụdara. Young maidens who were ready for marriage performed the Ememe Ụdara ceremony to seek blessings for fertility and children. And beyond spirituality, Ụdara tree has some medicinal values as its leaves and bark were used to treat illnesses. So Ụdara was more than just something to eat. It was a symbol of life, fertility, unity, and tradition. Today, many of these practices have faded, but the story of Ụdara reminds us of how deeply our ancestors respected life and community.